Powersports, Broken Bow, Oklahoma. They called us and we definitely understood the assignment. This is a 2025 Can-Am Defender Limited and it is completely thumped out. And guess what? It can be yours. Let's take a walk around this thing. It's got our front bumper here. It's got our long travel, winch. The wrap on this, I think, what did I say? Black Widow? I mean, that's just what came to my mind when I seen it, when it come together. I watched it go from mild to completely wild. It's got our elite Nerf Rails, custom powder coated Nerf Rails to match the entire wrap. The way this machine comes together is just mind blowing. It's got our level 5 Defender audio roof thumping nothing but Rockford Fosgate. And when I tell you this thing thumps, you have to leave the windows down because it is so loud inside. They got front bumper, they got rear bumper, they have Nerf Rails, they got the billet tie rods. And like I said, this Defender can be sitting in your front yard and you can be turning heads on the trail. So if you're interested in this, check them out. HE Powersports, Broken Bow, Oklahoma. Check us out, thumperfab.com. I'll see you on the trails.